Kawawa naman.
Tulungan niyo na. You need to help that.
Yes, enough checking. Very good quality control. Alright, hello, where are you going? I just told everybody got excellent vision above and below water. Open the eyes, you're an Indian otter. Come on. Not like that, look at it.
Mawa kayo.
Come on, Tim. You can do it. Tim, go. I'm dancing. Dance around and become rain dance.
Yeah.
Slam dunk. Treat. Nabigyan mo ng treat.
Everybody's watching. Don't be so greedy, kids. And of course, this is Felix, the Oriental small cloth otter, smallest otters in the world. Thank you, Felix. Everybody